Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of white screen on Temu app. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Temu app and we click. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.